everyone, it's a new video, and today in this video we'll be unboxing and taking a quick look at this Realme Buds Q. And let's start now. First let's start with unboxing. This is how the box looks like, and side we have Realme branding on either sides, and back you have some specifications like 20 hours of long battery life, 10mm boost drivers, and low latency gaming mode, instant connection, and super lightweight body, and designed by John Levy. And let's open the box and see contents inside the box, what we get inside the box. First thing inside the box is the case itself, and let's keep aside. And down you have some opening, and we get some user guide and micro USB cable for charging. You can see here micro USB cable for charging, and some extra ear tips for different sizes. These are the things what we get inside the box. Now let us quickly open this Realme Buds case. It looks very small in hands, guys, and very lightweight. It feels very stylish as well. And these are the buds. Let it focus. Yeah, these are the buds. Now let's quickly jump into some specifications. Firstly, let us talk about the design, guys. The design is very much unique, and they are completely in-ear type earbuds, which completely fits into your ear and gives a good bass and sound quality as well. And coming to shape of these earbuds, they seems to be like a small pebbles, guys. The thing which is really designed from by a French artist. And coming to case, the case has a magnet lid for opening and closing, and the buds also charge magnetically like this. It then don't fall off easily when you upside down the case, but if you apply a little force, it falls off easily like this. So be careful while using it. And coming to back side of the case, it has micro USB port for charging. It's a bit downgrade for some few people, because nowadays many smartphones are coming with micro USB, micro type C cable. So it's a bit downgrade for many users. But considering the price segment, it's okay to have, guys. So next let us talk about the battery life of these earbuds. And now coming to battery life, the company claims that it can last around 20 hours of playback time at 50% of volume. And each earbuds contains 40 mAh of battery, which can last up to 4 hours of music playback and 3 hours of call continuously. And the case contains 400 mAh of battery, which can charge the buds up to 5 times. Coming to charging time, it takes around 2 hours to completely charge the case. Once it's done, the red color indicator turns to green, as you can see here. Now let us check the gaming mode or the super latency mode. To enter the gaming mode or super latency mode, long press on both the buds at a time, and once you're done, you can hear a car racing sound. We don't find any sound lag while playing PUBG, as you can see here. And now I'm going to show you how to connect your Realme Buds Q to your smartphone. Open your Bluetooth and refresh it. And now tap the buds and hold for 5 seconds. And now once it's shown, pair it up. And now once it's done, you can also customize your control settings, touch control settings in the Realme Link app. And the Realme Link app shows the battery percentage of earbuds as well. And now you can also customize the touch controls. You can, at present it has double tap for play or pause the music, triple tap for next track on left earbud, and coming to long press and hold for 2 seconds, it has nothing. So I'm going to keep voice assistance. Like that you can customize your each and every action of your wish. Now I'm going to show you how the touch controls are going to work. And this is the left earbud, this is the right earbud. And if you double tap on the right earbud, it plays. Again, if you double tap on the right, it stops. And if you triple tap on these right earbuds, it changes the track. And if you triple tap on the left earbud, it plays the previous track like this. And long press on the either bud brings you the voice assistant. See, like this, as you can see here. Now I'm going to show you how to answer the call by using the earbuds. Once the call comes, double tap on the one of the earbud to answer the call, and it immediately answers. See, it's answered now. To cut the call, we should long press on the one of the earbud like this. It immediately disconnects the call. And now coming to sound and call quality, as it is, these buds are in-ear type design. It fits completely into your ear, so the sound is very good, and bass is also very good. And coming to call quality, the other person can hear you very well, and we also can hear the other person very well. And now check out some sample of this call quality.
This is how the other person hears you by taking the call without any environmental noise.
And finally, if you are looking for the best earbuds under 2000 rupees, and these are the best, and I leave a link down in the description below, you can check that out. And this is my opinion on these earbuds. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel.